Within the galaxy, there are countless of worlds, and even on some of the worlds head is the home of some unique species. Some of the unique species within the galaxy can vary from something very unique to like they're having a long lifespan, like the Wookiees, which has around 400 years of lifespan. One particular star system which is a home to a very unique species, Yavin 8. Yavin 8 is the three of the one habitable moons within the Yavin system. Yavin 13, Yavin 4, and it's also the home of the unique species by the name Melodie. The Melodie are a native species to Yavin 8, even though they appear as humanoid in appearance. But there is only one thing that makes them unlike the many other humanoid species in the galaxy. The Melodies are hatched from eggs, and they start their lives on the land, though. Even within the Melody who lives on land, they're always a prey on numerous of predators that lives on the moon, like a bird-like creature by the name Avril, and a rodent-like wraiths, and a serpentine rails, and a spidery creature known as Pirellas. But there is another thing that makes them very unique to most other species in the galaxy. When a Melody reached their age 20, they were undergoing a process, a change to an adult, which they later known as an elder. This event is called changing ceremony. This process of the changing ceremony is when they are taken down to a shallow cove where their transformation from a land dweller to water breather will take place. This process could take weeks, and even when they are doing this transformation, they are very vulnerable to some of the predators of Yavin 8. But during this ceremony, though, that was makes them very unique from most other species in the galaxy, is that their legs were grown in together like a thin tail, like a mermaid, and also will they to grow gales in order to breathe underwater. When this when this process is complete, though, they were had to be relying on to be living underwater as for the rest of their life because they are able to only surface for a limited amount of time, which they all doing so to communicate with young ones on the surface. Even two known Melody turned out to be force sensitive, later joined the new Jedi Order under the teaching of Luke Skywalker. The two known members of the Melody that joined the new Jedi Order was Lyric, and the second member was Sana, who later joined the Order. Even within the scientific community within this galaxy has some certain xenobiologists suspected that the melodies as well as the native predators of Yavin 8 may have been products of Sith alchemy, which hasn't even been proven though. Even though that the melodies are mermaid-like beings, they are very unique for most of the whole galaxy. From hatching from eggs, living as a living land dweller for 20 years until they undergo this process to be as a mermaid of rest of the people. That is the first one of the most unique species in the galaxy of would be the melodies. And this is all we know about the melodies in Star Wars Legends.